Today I'm going to be showing you a no-sew method for attaching beanie and other tags like this. So you're going to need a crochet needle, a two-way tag that folds over the edge of your project, and some of your yarn that matches your project. So wet the end of your strand of yarn and then draw it through your crochet needle. You can use a pair of tweezers if you don't have nails to pull this through. Since we're attaching this to a beanie, it's really important that we don't have any excess slack. So what I mean by that is you don't really want this hanging off the edge of your beanie. You really want to get this up nice and taut like this. So go ahead and align it where you want it, and then we're going to flip it over to the back side. And so basically what we're going to do is we are going to draw our little strand of yarn up through the back side of our tag. So the wrong side like this. Then we're going to pop it through the other side. Now again, we want to make sure that we have the correct alignment for our tag. So from here, we're going to draw this through our crochet project. We're going to insert this through one of our parallel holes like this. From here, we're going to reinsert our crochet needle into the other hole, and we're going to slide this into our project as well. If you notice that your alignment is off, it's really not a big deal if you pull out your crochet needle at this point, and then you can just use your crochet hook to pull your tail through. So now your tag should look something like this. From here, we're going to tie our two tails together, and we are literally just going to tie these together about 3 times. And you want to make sure that you don't tie them the exact same way. So if you're used to tying one way, just tie it awkwardly one time, and that will really help this knot not come out. From here, I recommend hiding your two tails inside of your tag, inside of your project. So they don't really need to be this long for that process. You can trim them up a bit and then just hide them in the stitches on the inside between your tag and your project like this. And if you want to learn how to crochet the beanie that I featured in this video, check the links in the description for my pattern tutorial. I do recommend pulling on this a little bit just to make sure that you don't have any pieces of tail that are going to come out if somebody puts this on. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel, Crochet with Julie. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.